Welcome to the last video of this curly clip-in series, part 3 of how I install and style using the clip over method. Here's a recap of parts 1 and 2, and if you missed it, just click the link in my description box to check them out. So we are finally here, people. We are getting ready to install and style these clip-ins, so just keep on watching. I always try to oil my scalp when doing a protective style, and I just make sure I evenly distribute it throughout, and I'll just use my fingers to rub that through. Look at how pretty these curls have turned out, you guys. From part 2, we did prep these curls using Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, as well as some foam wrap, and this is what the curls turn out to be after I did that. Here I am just clipping in my first clip in using that anchor braid that I have in the back, and this process gets pretty redundant, so I am going to speed through this. Again, I am only using 10 clip ins. That is what come with the bundle with better length, and I'm just going to be clipping that in. And once I get back to the front where the clip over method starts, that's when I'll start back talking. So we are now at the section where it would be considered the clip over part, and I have a three clip weft here, and I noticed it was a little too long, so I'm just moving some of those clip ins down so I can make room to install this 3 clip weft. And I'm simply going to clip it going backwards because when it falls in my face, it gives that flip over like look. I'm just going to be doing that again for about 2 more clip-ins, and that just helps to have some volume in the front of your hair when it is flipped over. So now that all the clip-ins are installed, I will be taking a loose my leave out, and I'm just going to blend that straight in. Now the blending process is so easy, you guys, like literally. I will be adding some Eco Styler gel, just a little amount to that front hairline, and it helps to lay my hair down as well as get my hair prepped to swoop to dupe those baby hairs. If you do not like baby hairs, remember you can always skip that step. But if you do, I do like to go in with my satin scarf and just lay down the front of my hair just to help it lay down a little more before I get ready to start flipping and wearing it in its loose, natural, wild state. Hey guys, so this is part 3 of my clip-in series. This video will be showing you some quick hairstyles that I'll be doing just to style up my clip-ins using my clip over method. So honestly, like very quick styles. The hair is still in like its fresh state. I am going to tease it out a little bit to give a little bit more volume, but this is how the hair is looking as of right now. And we're just going to get right into it. So first, you know, the headband wigs have been like trending lately, but You can also, because I did leave some leave out, you can treat the clip over method like a headband wig. So I would literally just, you know, accessorize it up and put the hair over it. So this is my style number 1. Just putting like a band or like some type of accessory, you know, on the hair. So that's number 1. Okay, and then number 2. So this is kind of like the just weird as it is state. This is like the free fall. I guess it's kind of like middle, but you can also flip it over, hence flip over method, and wear it like to the side. So that's number 2. To the side. And I honestly just let the hair fall on top of my hair. Even if the wind blows, like it's not gonna like be noticeable. So number 2. All right, then I'm gonna flip that back to the middle because this is like the go-to. Like just leave it like this. How about we flip it up like such. This is my hair, just pull it up with it. I got these from Walmart for 88 cents. I think now they're like 98, but they be taxing. And I'm just going to pull the hair through. So you don't have to pull it through heavy. I only do it once. And that's how I get like my curly ponytail with just pulled up. So it's just like a curly ponytail. All right. And I actually want to bring it higher. So all you have to do is take it off, bring the hair to where you want it. And you see this is my hair. I just pin it or just tuck it. I really don't care. And then let it fall. Yeah, I like that one more. So this is the ponytail. And I do have leave out around my perimeter. I didn't take it out yet. That's why I'm not turning to the back. But this is my back leave out. And then I would just take it out. And that covers like the back of my leave out. I'm not taking it out yet because I actually have conditioner in it. And it's like conditioning. But the ponytail. And you see how when I pulled it up, the hair got bigger. It's not even teased all the way out yet, guys. And this is how it's looking. Okay. I love this headband. Where did I get it from? Oh Lord, I don't know where I got it from, but let's see if I can get it on this big head. Oh, headband it. Headband it out. And headbands also help hide like that indication of where your clip-ins start if you did not do a leave out. So I think a headband is always like cute. I see nothing wrong with it. And then from here, your bun, you just take your elastic band, you do it twice. Grab the hair through once. I'm a messy bun type of girl. Sometimes you can take the excess and like wrap it around it, but I like that. A little messy, you know? So that's how that's looking. Back to square one. I think I'm gonna end up keeping this band on. I don't know. I have no idea. But I think this is a prime example of the more that you manipulate the hair and touch the hair, the bigger it'll get. As you guys can see, like this side is getting pretty big. Anytime you tease, I always try to tease from like the root of the clip in. Please don't try to tease your ends because that's how your hair gets frizzy. And if you want it to last without having to revamp and spruce up your curls, you want to like go in from here to make it bigger. Don't be messing with your like ends, okay? because that will make your hair frizzy. And then also, like with clip-ins, guys, like bands and like scrunchies that just help not keep it so simple, you know. But if you're the type of person that doesn't mind stuff like that, my method is pretty cool. I'm going to keep it in its original form. And again, all I do is just tuck my hair and let it fall. Let the clip-in hair fall on top of it. And it just works. It works like that. If you want to leave out more hair, you just leave out more hair. That's up to you, but I choose to leave out a little bit. And then just make it frizzy so it blends in, just like that. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content, to see more of how you can do yourself, to see more of how you can do your own hair yourself. So yeah, hair color video coming soon, y'all. I thought I had the footage when I did this, but I don't know where it's at, so I'm gonna have to redo it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just a quick update of my clip over method with my clip-in series. If you did not catch part 1 and part 2, please click the links in my description box and you guys can check that out. I showed how I maintain and care for the clip-ins, how I wash them for wash day, as well as how I braid down my hair. And yeah, you should check it out. Parts 1 through 3. Go see them. But until next time.